All right, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Dax, he's back again. So it's time for Dax, and this time with a song called Took My Heart Out. All right, very dramatic. Let's go into this one, and we have a reason for having the capo on fifth. Want to match this easy chord with the high notes, so therefore capo on fifth, that's a must. And let's go into the chords. We have A minor, G, E minor, and F to look into. So we're gonna start with A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is E minor, okay, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be a bar chord. It's an F. So you place the index finger here on the first fret. You push down all strings, and then you're gonna add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So there you have the chord progression: A minor, G, E minor, and F. All right. So let's go into the melody here. So let's start with A minor. It goes like this. Okay, so I hold the chord as it is, and I pick the bass notes plus the lower string down here, G, B, and E string from the actual chord. So I pick all these four strings, then the clap, and then I pick them again, but now I focus on the first fret B string. Okay, so the first time I pick them, I focus on the open high E, and then the clap, and now I focus on the first B string. Okay, so that means I play on the second time here, I move up one string. When you focus on a note, you always want to have that as the last note pretty much. So on the first kick, I play the bass note with the G, B, and E string. But on the second kick now, I play it with the D, G, and B string, because the melody is on the B. All right, so that's how you work. So first kick, and then the clap, and then second kick, and then you have the clap after a short pause, and then you end with the bass note, which is the open A. So slowly. Okay, now we're going to use the same principles for the next chord, the G. And for this one, I don't hold the chord as it is. We just need the bass note and the melody notes. So we're going to start with third fret on the E string in the bass, and then I'm going to play open D, open G, and third B together on the first kick. Then comes the kick. Then I'll play the same strings, but now I lift off to get the open B note instead. And then a kick. And third fret E string in the bass. That's the G part. The E minor part next, and it's played with the exact same notes and strings as well. And therefore, we don't have to hold the chord at all, really, when it comes to this second A and second D. You can just focus on the third B string. So, okay, same notes and same bass note there as well. So melody and bass notes, same on G and E minor. And then finally we have the F part left, and it goes. So now you're gonna pick the bass notes on the first fret E string together with the D, G, and the B string. You wanna focus on the first fret B note now, so first fret B string, sorry. So kick that, and then have the clap. And then on the second time you kick it, now you're gonna focus on the second fret G string. That one, okay? So what I do here, I play the E together with the D and G string only, okay? Then goes the clap, and the bass note, first fret E string. And there you have one round. So slowly, from the A minor to G, E minor, and F goes like this. That you can play throughout this entire song. Now we can also combine this with a strumming, so let's go into that. So it's a pretty long one. It goes like this. Okay, so this is just my interpretation. You can obviously do that in different ways. But okay, let's go into the A minor chord, and we're gonna play the first part down, a clap down. So down, I'll clap down, and then you're gonna play the second part, which will be up, down, clap down. So up, down, clap down. So we put that together, it will be down, up, clap down, clap down. You're gonna play one of these per chord. So A minor G, E minor F with that chord progression, one strum per chord sounds like this. Actually 2 rounds. Anyway, now when you know that strumming and you also know where the melody goes, you can also try to get certain notes from this melody, try to get them and build them into the strumming. It could sound something like this. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Different ways to handle that song called Took My Heart Out. All right, so thank you for watching here. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.